Hi there, students. A cog in the machine. Okay, if you're a cog in the machine, or in a machine, you're a member of a large organization. And although your job is necessary and it's necessary what you do, the organization makes you feel very unimportant. So I'm just a cog in the machine. I work for a large multinational company, and I do my job, but I really feel that they don't appreciate me at all. Yeah, I'm of very little importance to them. I think maybe I'm going to become self-employed because I'm tired of just being a cog in the machine, a cog in their machine. Um, and this is the idea. Somebody who is necessary but of little significance within a much larger organization, a much larger operation. I am but a cog in the machine. It takes the whole team to actually make this business work. Okay, the interns in a hospital, perhaps, they're just cogs in the machine. They do all the donkey work without actually receiving any recognition. Okay, so this is to be a cog in the machine, a person who plays a small part within a very large organization or a very large plan. I think large companies should try much harder to their employees feel that they're more than just a cog in the machine, a wheel in the machine. Okay, so a cog in the machine, it's a bit depressing. Let's see this song by Pink Floyd, Another Brick in the Wall. If you're a cog in the machine, yeah, this is the idea of, I think, another brick in the wall. You need a lot of bricks to make a wall. You need a lot of cogs to make a machine work. So if you're a cog in a machine, you're an insignificant member of something that is much, much, much larger. Um, a a civil servant, somebody who works for the civil service, is just a cog in the machine of state. Yeah, they just administer one tiny corner, one tiny edge, although the country or the state is a much, much bigger machine. You can also say a wheel in the machine, but I think a cog is much more much more common. I think you can probably use the word a cog on its own. A cog is like a little wheel that turns a bigger wheel. Yeah, it's a wheel with teeth on it, and it turns another wheel. But you could say that a subordinate but essential person is a cog. Yeah, is one step, one part of something. Okay, so yeah, I think it's one of the things. So the a political campaign involves many, many, many people, with your candidate at the very top of that political campaign. But there are a huge number of cogs in the wheel or cogs in the machine that go below this to actually make this successful. Okay, so a cog in the machine. Let's see, formality, a cog in the machine. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 informality. Use it informally, use it semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. I'm not sure I would use it in something very formal. And then as to origin, there's a Norwegian word, kug, meaning a cog. So it probably comes from Old Norse. There's a Swedish word, kugg, a cog or a tooth. We've got a Proto-Germanic word, kugo, yeah? And this is probably where it's coming from. And yeah, one wheel turns another wheel, turns another wheel, turns another wheel, and you have a big machine, and that's the idea. So maybe we're all just cogs in the machine. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A cog in the machine.